Okay guys, this is the only 12 section high mod Kevlar pole in the world. Unbeatable price, $27.75. There's nothing like it, and you can see we started numbering the poles before most other people, and we finally got tips on all the bottoms, even the number 12. In fact, we've the only ones that I know of that actually have a 9, 10, 11, 12, and eventually I'll get the other type of caps, but even these have a good plastic cap, a nice overlap. We'll get this demonstrated for you, but if you're into 6 floors and you're having difficulty of putting sections in the bottom, or having trouble with A, B, C, D, E, F poles, or poles you gotta take apart, this is a 12 section, 6 foot, 72 foot pole, straight up drop sections like we've been dropping sections for 11 years. So remember, synth poles been around since 2007, haven't changed the design, and we have one of the best track records in the world and some of the best innovation. We're usually 3 years ahead, and now we're ahead with the Kevlar at an unbelievable price. No other one has 100% high mod Kevlar, well, 60-40 high mod, ultra high mod, 63 MSI, and Kevlar on the outside. Just all around one of the best, beautiful high poles. And you can start off with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can buy a 36 and then add 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 later if you're inexperienced with doing 6 floors. But call me, simple.com, sim1pole.com. 50 years cleaning windows, 30 years with water-fed pole. Very few have that experience, and we still clean windows. Have a great day. Phil Alexander, Simple Inc.